So welcome to this video. I'm here today, and it's another piece that I'm recording up near Hindhead in the UK, near the Devil's Punch Bowl, if you know it, in Surrey. We're about an hour out of London. It's one of the highest points in Surrey, and you get some really nice views up here. And so with the summer being pretty much over here in the UK and we're now into autumn, it's become obvious to me that the evenings are getting longer, the days are getting shorter, the weather's getting slightly more inclement. And therefore keeping the pace of good content up for the channel is a bit of a challenge during the winter months. So one of the things I've been considering is how I move from creating perhaps more planned, more predicted content to perhaps more authentic content in between that planned content. So a bit more run and gun. If I'm out, I can capture something very quickly, some thoughts I may have on a particular photography related topic or mirrorless camera related topic, or something that's challenging me. I can quickly capture it and turn it into content, interesting content for the channel. And one of the challenges I have is that whilst the Z series mirrorless cameras produce really great professional level content, quite often it takes quite a bit of planning and quite a bit of setup time to get that content. We all collect lots of different kit over time, and I've been going through my various camera bags looking at what kit I've got that I can perhaps put together in different ways to create quality content, but in a far quicker, more adaptable way. So today I've put together a mix of my iPhone X with a mini tripod, very lightweight. I've tried using that before, and the video quality on the iPhone X, even though it's a couple of years old, is really good. But when it comes to sound, unless you're very close to the mic, it really doesn't work that well. So what I've done is I've married it up with a lightning to 3.5mm cable, a 3.5mm adapter cable, and then that plugged into my Rode Wireless Go, which I'm using just the Wireless Go, not with an external lav mic plugged into it, for the sound. So 3 cables and the Wireless Go, and I'm really just wanting to test that, see whether that really works. It allows me to step back from the camera and just very quickly set it up. That's one of the great things with the Wireless Go. The quality is quite good. I came up here this morning and I tried it, and I forgot to put the dead cat on, and it was a little bit blustery, and therefore that came through in the sound, and I really wasn't happy with it. But if I can find a combination of perhaps my iPhone, my smartphone, and a Wireless Go, I've got some action cameras I'm going to be testing to see how they figure into the mix. It might allow me to create some quite interesting content when I'm out and about. It creates content that's out of the studio, so it's a bit more interesting to watch. So as I say, I'm going to be mixing and matching some of my kit to see how well it works. I'd be interested to hear your feedback on it. So today I'm using the iPhone X on a mini tripod. I'm just using the Apple video app. I'm not using anything like Filmic Pro, which gives you far more functionality. Maybe I'll have a look at those. Mixture of wires to connect it to the Wireless Go, and then just the basic Wireless Go. So really simple, really straightforward. It fits in a very small backpack. It's really lightweight, and it took me no more than probably 3 to 5 minutes just to set it up, do a quick test piece to camera, and then capture this piece. So as I say, whilst the Z series and mirrorless cameras are really great when you can, you've got the time to create that content, I'm really interested in your thoughts as to whether this combination, the iPhone X and the Wireless Go, works for a certain type of content. Maybe it's good enough that actually it can take over some of the mirrorless content that I'm producing to make it quicker and more authentic. So I'm trying to find where are those boundaries, where are the use cases for the different kinds of equipment, from the sort of pro level Z series mirrorless cameras with a full setup and planned content, right through to perhaps some really quick, authentic content at the other end, and see where those boundaries are. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of future videos. And I look forward to seeing you in those videos. you.